In the biblical book of 2 Kings, chapters 1 to 5 highlight the transition from Elijah to Elisha and significant miracles that unfold during this period. It begins in chapter 1 as Ahaziah, the king of Israel, falls through a lattice and seeks advice from Baal-zebub, the god of Ekron, rather than the God of Israel. This angers God, prompting Elijah to deliver the news that Ahaziah will not recover. When the king sends messengers to confront Elijah, he calls down fire from heaven to consume them, symbolizing divine authority and protection. Chapter 2 marks the pivotal transfer of prophetic leadership as Elijah is taken up to heaven in a whirlwind, witnessed by his devoted disciple, Elisha. As a sign of Elisha's newfound authority, he parts the Jordan River with Elijah's cloak. Real also is his first miracle in the city of Jericho, healing the waters and making the land fruitful again. His journey of faith is tested when he deals with mockers at Bethel, whom are struck by bears, serving as a stark reminder of respect for God's chosen prophets. In chapter 3, Elisha steps into his role with power and wisdom. He assists the king of Israel, Judah, and Edom in their battle against Moab. Elisha, compelled by God's Spirit, instructs them to dig ditches in the desert, promising them an unexpected victory. True to prophecy, the ditches fill with water without rain, deceiving the Moabite army into retreating, leading to their defeat. In chapter 4, Elisha's miracles bring hope and sustenance. He aids a widow by supernaturally multiplying her small supply of oil, providing enough to pay off her debts and secure her son's freedom. In Shunem, Elisha is welcomed by a kind woman, and through God's blessing, her longing for a child is fulfilled. Yet joy turns to despair when her son falls ill and dies, but due to Elisha's faith and prayer, he is miraculously revived. Finally, chapter 5 introduces Naaman, a commander with leprosy. Hearing of Elisha's powers, Naaman travels to Israel. Though initially angered by Elisha's simple instruction to bathe in the Jordan River, he complies and is healed, acknowledging God's power. These chapters not only showcase miraculous visions, but also emphasize God's continuity and the importance of obedience, faith, and God's unending grace through the prophets.